Hello, it's Viking 1 in Youngstown, Ohio, my hometown, and yet another abandoned bridge. Oh, this one is over the Mahoning River, and I'm still near the downtown area. But let me show you this awesome abandoned bridge here in the Rust Belt, Youngstown, Ohio. There's the Mahoning River, and you can see this thing is old, rusted out. All rusted out. Missing tubing for the fence. Here's the edge of it. There's a chain link fence blocking it so no one gets across. But if you walk in the middle of the bridge, not towards the end, you'll be all right. There's the overgrowth, wild grapevines, pretty big wild grapevines. I'm not sure if that's Virginia creeper or poison sumac, so I'm not going to mess with that. Wow, this is just awesome. This is something you would see in a Batman movie. The more I see how much steel was used in this bridge where I showed you the concrete arches, I'm thinking that was an old railroad bridge. In the background, that red brick building, that's the waterworks, City of Youngstown. You can just see the overgrowth, the wild grapevines, other vines, just, it's everywhere. There's more arches to that concrete bridge, and just look at the steel beam, that I-beam that goes across that way. The more I look at that, I'm thinking this was a railroad bridge. Just massive concrete. Look at that arch. There's a big crack right there. You can see where the concrete is wearing away. Let me zoom in. There's a big crack. Just the size of those steel I-beams. Okay, as I walk down the street on this section, there's the supports to that railroad bridge. And I'm walking underneath the abandoned railroad bridge right now. And then I'm walking up towards the other bridge at the beginning of this video. So this was a street underneath a railroad bridge. And as I'm walking up this street, it's taking me to where I started the video. Right there. And as I step off to the side, I'm going to go that way. This is where they had it blocked off. Chain link fence. Older chain link fence. Here's an opening. You can see where the asphalt is wearing away. There's a steel girder or beam. And here's where I started the video, back to where I started. Okay, it's Viking 1. Once again, I'm on the short west side of downtown Youngstown, Ohio, standing at the beginning of an abandoned vehicle bridge over the Mahoning River. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day.